Hello, MyBlindCo users. Today I want to talk to you about a new feature we have, arrival time window. So this is something that people have been asking for a while now. But the way it works is historically, when you add appointment using MyBlindCo calendar, you could specify duration. Now we also have added a feature where you can now specify arrival time window. And I'm going to show you how it works and what it looks like. So center of my screen here on the portal version, you'd come to My Business Customize page. And then in the center of here, we have a new field called Arrival Window. And this is where you can set your company-wide desired arrival window. I have dealers who want to maybe give 15 minutes, and then others who like to give a window of 4 hours. So you can specify whatever you guys want. And you'll be able to, and that will be the default setting, but however, you can change that on the fly. So I'm going to show you that. Why I'm here, guys, when you come to the customize page, if you see your email that says email address still needs to be verified, click that button and make sure your email address is verified, okay? That helps ensure any emails that are going out through MyBlindCo don't end up in your customers' spam folders or junk folders, okay? So basically, guys, just to recap, visit My Business, customize, set your desired arrival window for the appointments, and hit update, okay? So iPad, once that's set, in your scheduled appointment on the calendar, let's just do one for today. I'll pick 1 o'clock and grab a customer here, do your appointment type. As you can see, you have a new feature down here called Arrival Window. It would be automatically set at 30 minutes if you've, flagged that in your company. But again, you can edit that. So maybe he's coming from a little bit farther distance and you want to give yourself a little bit more cushion. You can set whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and do 30 minutes here. And don't forget your appointment notes. When you add appointment through this daily calendar view through the calendar, MyBlindCo actually saves your appointment history, and you can always go back and reference that. So that is golden, guys. So try not to schedule appointments through the contact tab. Always go to the calendar and you'll have a history of those appointments. So measure whole house of shutters, we'll say. All right, I'm going to save that note, add. All right, at this point, your customer gets emailed the appointment confirmation. So you can see over to the left, I have one saved here. And this is what it looks like. So what's new is we have a new line. It says estimated arrival time. So I gave myself a half-an-hour window. So the customer now can expect your arrival to be anywhere between 12:30 and 1. And it'll also keep the duration. So when we're in the appointment and we select duration, that's what they're going to see here. So maybe it's a whole house measure and you want to leave yourself 2 hours. Then over here on the left, estimated duration would be 2 hours. So that's the update. Now we're giving customers heads up that please expect a arrival time window, and you guys can set that to any 15-minute increments that you'd like. So if you want to set it at a company level, visit the portal My Business Customize page and set it here. And don't forget to put update. All right, guys, let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.